Easily enjoy fresh from scratch pasta at home with KitchenAid pasta roller and cutter attachments. Each attachment uses the power of any KitchenAid stand mixer to make quick and easy work of homemade pasta right in your kitchen. Simply adjust the thickness of your pasta roller to your liking with the gradual turn of a dial. When attached to the power hub of any KitchenAid stand mixer, the pasta roller helps you guide sheets of fresh homemade dough through and get your desired thickness. This roller creates 6-inch wide pasta sheets and has 8 thickness settings. You can then cut the pasta sheets into thick lasagnette noodles or even squares for ravioli. Or you can run the sheets through a pasta cutter for perfectly uniform noodles. Cutters are sold separately or as a set. You won't settle for packaged pasta anymore after experiencing the freshness of homemade. This 3-piece set includes the pasta roller, spaghetti cutter, and fettuccine cutter, so you can make authentic fresh pasta from scratch, quickly and easily. To make quick and easy work of fresh homemade pasta dough in your kitchen, there's no better place to start than the pasta cutter set. The capellini blade is perfect for angel hair spaghetti, while the lasagnette creates wider noodles. The choice is in your hands. And for the pasta connoisseur, there's the 5-piece deluxe pasta set, which includes a pasta roller and all 4 cutters to make fettuccine, spaghetti, lasagnette, and capellini noodles. You can find plenty of fresh homemade pasta recipes on our website. Customize your stand mixer, explore attachments, accessories, and so much more today at KitchenAid.com.